All right, this video is about writing polynomials, a quick review. If I give you zeros, so here are 3, -2, and 6. Those are my zeros. So I'm working backwards. And you have to come up with the equation that contains those zeros. What would you do? So first we write it as factors. So positive 3x minus 3, -2 x plus 2, 6 x minus 6. So those are all zeros of this in factored form. And then I would expand it. So these are simple to expand. So I can go x squared, -3 plus 2 is -1x, and -3 times 2 is -6. Now, next, you might want to draw a box for this. Now, this is a 3 by 2. So I'm going to go 3 by 2. So the top, the trinomial, we'll put that on top, and x minus 6 on the bottom. And we're going to expand it and then put the answer down over here. So this is x cubed minus x squared. We're just multiplying, -6x. This is -6x squared, positive 6x, and positive 36. And so then the answer would be x cubed minus 7x squared. Now 6 and -6 cross out. It's not there. And then plus 36. And this equation has these zeros in expanded form. All right, let's try it again. So let me give you some other zeros. What happens if I give you a fraction? So if the zeros are -5 and 5 over 6, how would I write that? So -5 would be x plus 5. That's simple. But the fraction part, how would I write that? The denominator goes in front. The numerator goes beside it, and you have to change the sign. And that describes that zero, where I subtracted 5 and multiplied by 6. Actually multiplied by 6 and then subtract 5. So the denominator goes in front, change the sign, it follows it, and now you would just FOIL that. And again, if you want to, you can draw a box to FOIL. X plus 5, 6x, take away 5, and then multiply it. So this function, 6x squared plus, see if I can do it, 25x minus 25. Anyways, this has the zeros -5 and 5, 6. All right, last one to practice. What happens if I give you, irrational and imaginary? How would you write that? So those are the zeros. Let's do it together. So it's very similar. So we're going to go x plus root 7, x minus root 7. Same thing here. X plus 2i, x minus 2i. Now the good news about these is that these are a difference of squares. So I just need to go first times first, which is x squared, and last times last. Now a square root times a square root, they just cross out and leave me with -7. The middle terms are going to cross out. So I just have to go first times first and last times last. This is a little bit more challenging, but the same as a difference of squares still. So first times first. Now when I go last times last, I got to be careful here. So it is -4i squared, but I need to remember that I squared is equal to -1. So I'm going to FOIL this out, and I have x squared minus 7. I have x squared. That -1 times -4 actually makes it a +4. So this I squared makes that a +4, and then you multiply it out. And then there's your answer, combine like terms in the box. So x to the 4th minus 3x squared minus 28. That's it. Mr. G Math, over and out. Good luck on the quiz.